Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're covering one of the most exciting updates for global travelers. According to the latest announcement from China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, as of November 30th, 2024, citizens holding ordinary passports from the following countries can now enter China visa-free for up to 30 days. Let's break it down by region. Europe, 32 countries. Andorra, Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, Italy, Latvia, Liechtenstein, Luxembourg, Malta, Monaco, Montenegro, the Netherlands, North Macedonia, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Switzerland. Asia, 4 countries. Brunei, Japan, Malaysia, South Korea. Oceania, 2 countries. Australia, New Zealand. Eligible travelers can visit China without a visa for tourism, business, visiting friends or relatives, exchange programs, and transit. The maximum stay is 30 days. Now, let's see the countries that were mentioned in my previous video of 240-hour visa-free transit policy, but are unfortunately not covered in today's exemption. There are 18 countries whose citizens are not covered under the 30-day visa-free entry, but can still enter China visa-free for up to 10 days, only if they are transiting to a third country. Europe 10, Czech Republic, Lithuania, Russia, Sweden, United Kingdom, Ukraine, Serbia, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, Belarus. Americas 6, United States, Canada, Brazil, Mexico, Argentina, Chile. Asia 2, United Arab Emirates, Qatar. Travelers from these countries must show proof of onward travel, a confirmed flight or train ticket out of China within 10 days. That's it for today's visa update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in China.